Welcome to the world of yoga, a practice that transcends time and culture, weaving a rich tapestry of physical, mental, and spiritual wellness that has captivated humanity for over 5,000 years. Originating in ancient India, yoga is not just an exercise. It's a philosophy, a way of living that promotes harmony between the mind, body, and soul. Let's start with a glimpse into its history. Yoga's roots can be traced back to the sacred texts of the Vedas, where it was more than physical activity, it was a spiritual journey. As it evolved, yoga became a diverse practice with many styles, from the serene hatha to the intense ashtanga, each offering a unique path to personal growth and enlightenment. Now onto the incredible benefits of yoga. It's well known for enhancing flexibility, but did you know it also strengthens muscles, improves posture, and boosts immunity? Regular practice can lower stress levels, enhance concentration, and promote a deep, restorative sleep. Yoga teaches us to breathe deeply, which oxygenates the body and calms the mind, a much-needed respite in our fast-paced world. Yoga is for everyone. Regardless of age or fitness level, there's a style of yoga that's right for you. It's a journey of self-discovery, where each pose is an opportunity to explore your limits and learn to listen to your body. And here's a fascinating fun fact. The word yoga itself comes from the Sanskrit root yuj, which means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Reflecting on its impact, the United Nations recognized the universal appeal of yoga by declaring June 21st as International Yoga Day, a testament to its global influence and the shared quest for harmony and peace. In today's world, where we often seek external solutions for well-being, yoga offers an inward journey to discover one's inner strength and tranquility. It reminds us that true wellness encompasses not only physical health, but also mental and spiritual balance. So whether you're looking to enhance your physical health, seeking solace from the stresses of life, or on a quest for spiritual depth, yoga offers a path for exploration. It's a practice that encourages us to pause, breathe, and reconnect with the essence of who we are. Dive into the world of yoga and embrace the journey toward a more balanced and fulfilled life.